Good day, ma'am. So today I will explain po kung paano sinagutan itong complete accounting cycle for our merchandising business. So ang una ko pong ginawa is I understand all the transaction or journalizing it. So as you can see, meron po tayong 4 methods gaya ng sales journal, cash receipt journal, at purchase journal, at disbursement journal. After that, we will proceed to our 2 general ledger para sa summary of the transaction sa special journals at general journals. Sa mga entries po ay ipopost natin sa each general ledger account yung mga naging transaction for its summary. Then after posting everything sa general ledger, magpe-prepare naman tayo sa unadjusted trial balance. Sa paghahanda ng worksheet, ilalagay naman natin ang balance ng general ledgers para sa each account sa unadjusted. So, after unadjusted naman, ay aayusin naman natin siya sa adjusting entries. And ang adjusting entries ay may 5 basic source. Isa na dito ang depreciation expense, deferred expenses or prepaid expense, unearned income, accrued expense or accrued liabilities, accrued income or accrued assets. So, adjusting journal entries, nakuha po natin to sa balance sa general ledger journal. After that, we will step forward at magpe-prepare na po tayo ng financial statement. So, the first statement na ipe-prepare is the income statement of all income statement account. Okay. So, after adjusting journal entries, we will proceed sa adjusted trial balance. Ang adjusted trial balance, nakuha ko po siya sa balance ng general ledger. And then, sinulat ko siya dito. Then, income statement. Income statement is all the transaction na kailangan kong i-balance. I-balance tong dalawa, credit and debit. Debit or credit. Ganon. Pero para ma-balance ko to, kailangan ko ng net income na magdagdag para ma-balance ang credit at debit. Balance sheet naman, or lastly, balance sheet naman ay ipag-a-add ng balance sheet account, and then ang net income naman ipag-a-add din para ma-balance ang debit at credit. Then after balance sheet naman, we will proceed kay Aguila Merchandising sa income statement. So the proper format of the income statement and the schedule of CGS of cost goods sold of Aguila for January 30, 2016. Sa book na ito, nakukuha yung given na yung 0. Aguila Merchandising Income Statement for the month ended January 30, 2016. Nakuha sa worksheet ng debit. So, sinulat ko lang dito na nakuha ng debit. Worksheet sa debit. After income statement, magpuproceed na tayo sa T account. Sa T account, dito ko nilagay yung mga cash flows o yung mga cash, account receivable, transportation equipment, accumulated depreciation, account payable, Aguila capital, sales discount, purchase discount, sales expense, supplies expense, advertising expense, rental expense, depreciation expense, fuel and oil, fuel expense payable, prepaid rent, income summary, at merchandising. And lastly, closing entries. The closing entries or closing journal entries consist of the following. The merchandise inventory beginning is closed to income summary account by a debit to income summary and a credit to merchandise inventory. The merchandise inventory ending is a set up in the books by a debit to merchandise inventory ending and a credit to income summary. The amount that will be used in the result of the fiscal count. Then after that, before we finish this video, magpupunta ulit tayo sa T account para mabalance natin ito lahat sa 0. And doon na natin tatapusin yung video na to. And thank you for watching and please bear with me.